Life isn't how to survive the storm, it's about how to dance in the rain. If you're lucky enough to be different, never change. Just be yourself, there is no one better. Giving up doesn't always mean you're weak, sometimes you're just strong enough to let go. People are going to judge you anyway, so you might as well do what you want. I've never felt like there's just one way to be beautiful. Grow a backbone, trust your gut, and know when to strike back. Be like a snake, only bite if someone steps on you. Beauty is sincerity. There are so many different ways someone can be beautiful. I've always been a hugger. If we all hugged more, the world would be a better place. There are two ways you can get through pain. You can let it destroy you, or you can use it as fuel to drive you to dream bigger. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.